And then we had experiments with Miss Kanda, and I think the question was, we used the first question was how do filters work? And our hypothesis was that they separate one material from each other. So you have maybe stones and water, and the water goes through and the stones stay.
Yes, because the thing is, water is just it's the variable that should always go. I mean, depending on what filter you're using, most of the time it will go through that filter unless it's specified to not let water through. And our independent variables were masks, tea strainers, and drain filters. We did, and this was very interesting actually. Some results that were very interesting that I didn't expect. Some of the dependent variables were how much sand goes through, and the control variable, we just used 5 grams of sand.
So our method was, we weigh 5 grams sand in the beaker, put the filter on the beaker, and then put the beaker with the filter onto the scale, and we put sand through the filter, and we get 100 milliliters of water, and put it through the filter with the sand, and we see how much sand goes through.
Our results is that the mask let nothing through on 3 tries. We did this 3 times every time. And our tea strainer, the first attempt, it let 5 pieces of sand through, but then the other times nothing. And then the drain filter, it let no sand through the whole time. We didn't actually finish the analysis as we weren't sure where it was.
But we have a conclusion and an improvement. So the conclusion was, through doing this experiment, we found out that mask and drain filters are very reliable, but tea strainers can sometimes be unreliable, since we can see from the data that it let some sand through, and not like the others. This shows that most filters don't let bigger particles go through.
And to improve is, we would like to improve this experiment. We could have used more types of filters and also more types of materials.
That's science.